Hi, this is Anthony Pasito, and today we'll discuss the ins and outs of Google Classroom. Google Classroom allows teachers to create posts with announcements, assignments, and questions. Students are able to see and respond to these posts from any internet connected device. This can drastically minimize the amount of papers being copied, passed out, and collected. You can get to Google Classroom by directing your web browser to classroom.google.com. This will bring you to your dashboard containing all of your classrooms that you are part of. This includes classes where you're the teacher, as well as ones in which you are the student role. To create a new class, click on the plus button and select Create Class. When students are joining your class, they will also click the plus button, but select Join Class. Then they will be asked to input a class code, which you will see later. When creating a class, you will first have to name this class. Then you can provide a section and a subject. An example might be once you are in your classroom, you can begin by customizing the way you would like your classroom to look. Click on Select Theme or Upload Photo to change the way users will experience your classroom. Google Classroom is divided into three main areas: Stream, Students, and About. Stream is your classroom wall. Similar to Facebook, as you create new posts, older ones travel down the wall. Clicking on the plus sign towards the bottom right of the web page will give you your post options. Here, you can create an announcement, an assignment, a quick question, or reuse an older post. Creating an announcement allows you to post a quick blurb and attach a file for students to view. This attachment could be something that is stored on your computer, on Google Drive, on YouTube, or a link to a website. If you have multiple sections of the same class, you can also create the same announcement within all needed classes by adjusting the Post In drop-down menu. Finally, you can choose to post immediately, schedule the post, or save it as a draft for later. Creating an assignment is similar to an announcement. This time, instead of the blurb, you will title the assignment and provide instructions to students. Then you can attach a file and select a due date. If selecting a file within Google Drive, you are given the option to allow students to view the file, edit the file, or you can make a copy for each student. After posting an assignment, teachers can observe the students as they are working in real time. Click on the post and the student's assigned file to jump into their work. When students open the assignment, they will have a button towards the top right of their page to turn it in. Teachers can provide immediate feedback to students using the comment feature within the Google app they are working in. After a student turns in the assignment, teachers can also send it back with comments for further revision or provide them with a grade. This grade is not stored anywhere, so teachers will also want to input the grade into a gradebook that they use. Creating a question is similar to an announcement and assignment. Ask the question, provide instructions, and decide if you want students to be able to reply to each other. This question can be a short answer or multiple choice. Moving into the student section provides teachers with the class code. Students should use this class code to join the classroom. This is accomplished by clicking on the same plus sign that teachers use to create a classroom. This is also where you're able to adjust student permissions by letting them post and comment, only comment, or setting it so only the teacher can post or comment. You do also have the ability to invite students one by one to your class. This can be accomplished by clicking on Invite Students. The About section is where you provide students with some information about this class. Write a description and provide your room number. You can also post classroom materials. These should be items that you would like your students to always have access to. For example, a math classroom might post a multiplication chart for students to use throughout the school year. You might also post links to frequently used websites. If you have a co-teacher, you have the ability to assign additional teachers to your classroom. This will provide the other teachers with the same permissions as you have as the lead teacher. To do this, click on Invite Teacher. All classroom documents are automatically stored within your Google Drive in a folder called Classroom. Google Classroom helps to keep us organized and provides our students with access to the work from any internet-connected device at any time.